Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that viral in and out onion wrap Flying Dutchman cheeseburger. Okay? So guys, you're going to need an onion, like a big ass, that big ass onion, like a big onion right here. See how big that is? You're going to need some patties right here. I got like 4 of these. I've been letting this sit out to get room temperature. You're going to need some room temperature butter. Now, they went with some like American cheese like this, like some Kraft. This is actually Velveeta right here, and this is like American white cheese right here. I'm not going to do that, okay? We're going to throw that to the side. I'm going with some medium cheddar right here, and I'm going with some pepper jack right here. All right? And I have some pickles right here. Like 3 of them. I mean, actually about 6 of them right there. Now we're going to go ahead and make that sauce up for you guys. If you guys want me to make the sauce, I can make the sauce. I really don't want the sauce, but you know, since you guys want me to make the sauce, I'll go ahead and make the sauce. Now for my seasoning, I have some black pepper right here. This is salt. I buy it by the big box, so I just pour it in something like this. And this right here is what's going to set it off from everybody else's. This right here is grounded coriander. Alright? Check it out. Go good on beef. So I'm going to put that to the side. Alright, so we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on this. I'm going to put it in my hands. Just like this, fam. You don't want to overwhelm it or nothing like that, okay? That's all you're doing. Alright, this is black pepper. Just a little bit. Coriander. It goes a long ways. So just be mindful. Don't put a lot of this on there now. It's going to make your burger taste a whole lot better. Alright? Guys, please share this video out. I'm going to probably put a hashtag on it, viral onion wrap burger from In and Out. So that's done. We're going to put that out the way. We're going to come with the onion, okay? So first thing you want to do is come down here like this. Cut that end off. Cut that end off. So I'm going to come around here and score this a little bit, just like so. And if you want to get this off like really quick or whatever, you can always dip it in some hot water and that skin is just roll right off. I will make a video on that one day. So this comes off like so. We're going to throw this away. Alright, we want to come in here halfway, just like this. If you can keep a straight line, that would be awesome. Just like so. I'm going to hold it again. Get the other one started. Just like that. Let me see if I can come this way for you guys. Just take your time. Just like so. Cut one more. I like to keep these together like this so I can cut it a little bit better. Just like so. Alright, that's going to be the top and the bottom. Right there, take this little stuff off. So that's done on that side. So we want to come on this side because we're making 2 of them. Yep. See how that came off? So I might have to end up using this side. And I know some of y'all gonna come at me, why you got bread knife? This is the only knife I could find. Okay, that's it. Alright, so that should work. And we just put these to the side. Just like that. this is what we got. So you just want to make sure you keep these together. Alright? Just like that. Alright fam, we're going to go ahead and go over here and start searing this stuff up. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Just going to start adding our meat in here. I like to push down on mine a little bit. This is on medium heat. So pretty much we just gonna cook this on each side. So let me sprinkle my salt on there. Just a little bit. I'll put too much on that one. Black pepper. Coriander. Alright fam, we're just going to let that cook for about 2.5 minutes on each side. Flip it over and start working on our other stuff. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, we're just going to flip these. Let that start working. Alright fam, what I'm about to do is take my cheese. I'm just going to put some on there like so. I'm going to take this burger and put it on top. Take this burger and put that one on top. And we're just going to take these off. It will melt that cheese. We want to clean up some of this. So I just take my spatula and scrape some of this seasoning off. Alright. Put a little butter in there. We're going to put our onions in there. Just like so. If you want to put a little salt on there, you can. Just a crumb, not a lot. And we're going to brown that on each side. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I have just flipped those. We're going to use a binder, which is our cheese. Put that on there. I'm going to take our burger. Put it on there. And one on there. Alright. Let me see if I can try to slide this on there without it falling all apart like it wants to. As good as that's going to get. Like so, we're going to turn this off and take this to the table. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Here's the onion wrap burger. What we're going to do is go ahead and make this up real quick. We'll get some mayonnaise. Or you can use pickles or whatever. Or capers. I always say pickles though. Like 2 scoops of that because this is going to be a dipping sauce. A little ketchup, a little mustard, like so. And mix this up. Nothing to it. That's it. Everybody make a fuss about this. That's it. Ain't nothing to it. You can get you some cayenne pepper if you wanted to make it spicy. Or some smoked paprika. Add a little bit more ketchup. And you can put pickles in here if you wanted to. I'm not going to do it. I like my pickles on the side sometimes. So that's it. Here's the pickles right here. And that's my Flying Dutchman right here. Okay. Alright guys, so that's what it is. And if you like this recipe of this Flying Dutchman from In-N-Out onion wrap burger, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, uh-oh, my bell's stuck. Somebody did something to my bell. Don't forget to, okay? Hit that bell so next time you can see me upload another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGG'S Kitchen, the Flying Dutchman. Let's go.